In this video, I'm going to show you how to see hidden fees in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to the Spending section from the main navigation menu. Then click on Transactions to open your complete list of account activity. This page shows every recorded purchase, payment, transfer, fee, and deposit connected to your financial accounts. To find fees or transactions that are currently hidden from your normal view, click on the Filter button near the top of the Transactions page. A filter panel will appear with several sorting options that help narrow down what transactions are displayed. Inside this panel, locate the Visibility filter. Click on it, and you will see options for visible transactions, hidden transactions, or all entries depending on your current settings. Select Hidden, then click Apply to confirm the filter. Once applied, the transaction list will refresh and show only the fees or account entries that have been marked as hidden. This is useful if you previously hid charges, service fees, bank fees, or other small transactions from your regular reports and now want to review them again. You can click on any hidden transaction to inspect the full details, unhide it if needed, or make further edits to keep your spending records accurate. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.